Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to install Windows 11 on an unsupported PC without data loss and without a USB drive. This is currently the quickest method, using just one command. I made a longer video on this before. This is the short, straight to the point version that focuses on the key steps. Let's begin. This is the Windows 10 PC that we will use for this demo. From the Settings app, we see a message that says the PC doesn't currently support Windows 11. And from the PC Check app, we see why. The PC doesn't have TPM 2.0. So let's go ahead and install Windows 11 on it anyways. Before starting, back up your important files. This is recommended when installing Windows on a PC in use. Now, the first thing you need to do is identify your PC language. You will need this information later when downloading the ISO files. Open the Settings app. Right-click the Start icon and click on Settings. Then go to Time and Language, and then go to Language. Your PC language is shown under the Windows display language. Mine is English United Kingdom. Next, you need to download the Windows 11 ISO from Microsoft website. Open your web browser and search for Windows 11 ISO. Click on the first result, which is a Microsoft website. On the website, we see from the upper section that we'll be upgrading to Windows 11 version 25H2. Now scroll down to the ISO section. Select Download, then Windows 11 and confirm. Now select your product language. To be able to keep your data after the upgrade, ensure that the language you select here matches your PC language that you identified earlier. So I will select English International, which covers English United Kingdom, and then confirm. And then click on 64-bit download to begin the download. The file is above 7 gig. The download has completed. Next, you need to mount the downloaded ISO. Locate your downloaded ISO file. Go to Download. This is the ISO file. Right-click on it and click on Mount. Open. This opens it like a virtual folder. Now, note the drive letter of your mounted ISO file. Mine is E, yours may be different. Next, you need to launch the Windows 11 setup, but with a special command. Open Command Prompt as an administrator. Go to your search bar and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Yes. Inside Command Prompt, type the drive letter of your mounted ISO drive, followed by colon, and press Enter. Now type the command shown on the screen. Setup.exe /product server and press Enter. This will launch the Windows 11 setup. This product server parameter is the magic command used to bypass hardware checks. This parameter tricks Windows into thinking we are installing a Windows server. That way, the system will not check your PC for compatibility with Windows 11, since it assumes you are installing a Windows server. Don't worry, you are installing a valid Windows 11 client OS. From this point, you can proceed with the standard installation. Click on Next. So accept the license terms. Next, you choose what to keep. Since we want to keep our files and data after the upgrade, you select the first option, Keep Files, Settings and Apps, and click on Next. It will check your PC again and also check for updates. Click on Install, and the installation will begin. Again, you are installing a valid Windows 11 client OS, not a Windows server. Now, simply allow the installation to run. And here it is, our brand new Windows 11 OS running on an unsupported PC. That's how you use the product server trick to bypass the Windows 11 hardware checks. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe and share the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.